Many people want to know how to lose weight fast. People are busy and value their time, so they want answers to their questions as quickly as possible. This is where the simplicity of this guide comes into play. This guide is a step-by-step blueprint for you to follow to lose weight fast. Finding how to lose weight fast can be hard in this day and age. With all of the food choices available, you can easily find yourself snacking on junk food that leads to nowhere but being overweight. The problem is they rarely give you the big picture. They just keep telling you what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. But that's not going to help you as a beginner because you don't know what you want to do or your why. That's why this video will help. We all have some extra pounds people would consider unfit. It's a normal thing that happens to us. Some people are lucky. They just have a nice body shape and they don't need to worry about such things. But if you want to get rid of extra weight, you need to be more attentive to what you eat and what you do in your free time. The good news is, there are many ways you can lose weight fast. We'll provide you with most effective diet plans, exercises that burn fat quickly, or weight loss supplements. All of these means make it possible for you to lose a huge amount of weight within a few weeks. There are a lot of ways to lose weight. But for many people, losing weight can be difficult. I've been trying to lose weight for years, and I just can't figure it out. I hear this all the time from readers. So today I'm going to tell you what really works to lose weight, because it's not what you think. And no, it doesn't involve starvation diets or hours at the gym. I'm going to tell you how to lose weight fast. For real, what causes weight gain? The type of food you eat. When you eat more calories than you need, your body stores the extra energy as fat. If you eat foods that are high in fat and sugar, you're more likely to gain weight. How much you eat. If you eat more than your body needs, you'll gain weight. Small amounts of extra food add up over time. For example, eating just 100 calories a day extra can lead to a 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, weight gain over a year. How active you are. Your body uses energy from food and drink to keep you alive and your organs working normally, even when you're not doing any physical activity. This is called your basal metabolic rate, BMR. It's the number of calories your body burns if you do nothing all day but rest. If your BMR uses up most of the calories you consume in a day, you won't gain much weight. But if your BMR uses only half the calories, those unused calories will be stored as fat. Being less active also lowers your BMR. Your age and sex. As people get older, their metabolism slows down because they burn fewer calories each day than younger people do. And women tend to have less muscle mass and a slower metabolism. Before getting into how to lose weight fast, I want to ask you a question. What is your reason for wanting to lose weight? Is it because you want to be healthier? Do you want to look better naked? Do you want to have more energy? Do you want to live longer and see your grandkids get older? You see, the reason why I am asking you this question is that I want you to really think about the reason why you are watching about how to lose weight fast. One of the most important things in life is knowing what you actually want. Without knowing what you want, it's very hard for anyone to help you. Okay, now let's assume we're on the same page. You know your goal, and that goal is losing weight. Now how do we go about losing weight fast? But first, let me share a secret. You don't need to starve yourself or spend your days in the gym to lose weight fast. With a few smart moves, here's how you can lose weight after 40 and keep it off. Number 12. Running. Running a day or two a week is enough to start changing your body and your mind. If you're new to running, start by making it a habit. Your eventual goal is to run at least 3 days per week, with at least one rest day between runs. But start slow. Start with a 10-minute run on the first day, then alternate between jogging and walking for another 20 minutes, or however long you feel comfortable going. If you have time, try to squeeze in another 10-minute jog later that same day. On day 2, go for another 30-minute walk, jog, with no extra jogs if you can help it. See how you feel when you wake up on the 3rd day. If your legs are sore or fatigued, take an extra rest day before trying again. You should be okay to try for a 30-minute jog, walk on day 3. If you're still feeling good after that, try for another 30 minutes of running on day 4, or take an extra rest day if needed. By the end of the first week, you should be up to 40 minutes of straight running, or at least close. Number 11. Start strength training. Strength training is a type of exercise that requires you to contract your muscles against resistance. It builds muscle mass and increases strength. One study found that performing cardio and weight training workouts resulted in similar levels of fat loss in overweight women. However, another study suggests that weight training may not be as effective at reducing waist circumference as cardio may be. In any case, the frequency and duration of your exercise program are more important than its intensity. If exercise feels impossible to you, then do something easier like walking or swimming, until it becomes a habit. If you're new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. Number 10. Eat slowly. If you're trying to lose weight, eating slowly can help. Many people eat fast because they're either too busy or too focused on something else. But eating faster than your body can register fullness cues may lead to overeating and weight gain. Taking your time while eating helps with weight loss, according to research from the University of Rhode Island. It takes about 20 minutes for your stomach to tell your brain it's full, so eating slowly allows you to feel full on fewer calories. Eating slower has been linked to a lower body mass index, BMI, smaller portions and better digestion. Interestingly, some research has found that eating more slowly may have an effect on the number of calories you burn after eating. However, there's a lack of high-quality human studies on this topic, and more research is needed before any recommendations can be made. Number 9. Stop drinking soda, juice, milk with your meals. Juice has a lot of sugar in it. The sugar in the juice gets absorbed into your bloodstream very quickly and causes a spike in your blood sugar level. The sugar in the juice is converted into glycogen and stored in your muscles for energy. If you do not use all of this energy by exercising, then the glycogen is converted back into fat for storage. This process causes weight gain. Number 8. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are the most fattening things you can put into your body, and avoiding them can help you lose weight. Cutting back on sugary foods can mean a slimmer waistline as well as a lower risk of diabetes. Sugar is half glucose, half fructose, and fructose can only be metabolized by the liver in any significant amount. When you eat a lot of refined sugar, the liver gets flooded with fructose and is forced to turn it all into fat. Numerous studies have shown that excess sugar, mostly due to the large amounts of fructose, can lead to increased accumulation of fat in the belly and liver. Some believe that this is the primary mechanism behind sugar's harmful effects on health. It increases belly fat and liver fat, which leads to insulin resistance and a host of metabolic problems. Number 7. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast has been shown to reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. 16-17. There are several different ways that increased protein can help with weight loss. Protein can increase feelings of fullness, reduce appetite and boost metabolism. Protein at 25 to 30% of calories can cut cravings by 60%, boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day and make you automatically eat several hundred fewer calories per day, without even trying. 18 trusted source, 19 trusted source. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is one of the best things you can do for your health. Studies consistently show that people who don't get enough sleep are much more likely to gain weight, while those who get adequate sleep tend to weigh less. One study even found that getting enough sleep was linked to a 55% reduced risk of obesity in children and a 30% reduced risk in adults. 15. Sleep is also known to reduce cravings and calorie intake, especially when it comes to unhealthy foods high in sugar, fat and carbs. 16. 17. One study in 12 healthy men demonstrated that just one night of poor sleep was linked to an increase in hunger and appetite the next day. It also resulted in changes in hormones that regulate appetite, causing participants to overeat. 18. Another study involving 10 healthy women showed that getting 5 hours of sleep per night increased levels of ghrelin, a hormone known to stimulate appetite, while reducing levels of leptin, which tells your body when you've had enough to eat. 19. All these factors contribute to increased hunger, cravings and calorie intake. Number 5. Cut out junk food. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's often overlooked. If you want to lose weight fast, then you need to cut out the junk food from your diet completely. Not only does this improve your overall health, but it also helps increase your metabolism so that you can burn calories quicker throughout the day. It's also important to remember that junk food isn't just obvious stuff like potato chips and cookies. Many seemingly healthy foods are actually very high in sugar or unnecessary fats and preservatives that do nothing for your body except make it gain weight. Number 4. Get one-on-one training. Everyone is different, which means that if you really want to lose weight fast, you need to get a trainer who can tailor a workout plan for your body type and fitness level. Not only will this help you burn more fat during workouts, but it has the added benefit of vastly increasing your motivation. With a trainer there to push you and keep you accountable, you're significantly more likely to stick with your fitness goals. Number 3. Read food labels. Knowing how to read food labels can help you choose healthier options. Use the calorie information to work out how a particular food fits into your daily calorie allowance on the weight loss plan. Reading food labels is something you should get into the habit of doing. You never know what hidden calories you might find in packaged foods. Reading food labels will also help you choose more nutritious items such as whole grains and low-fat dairy products. If you do most of your shopping at supermarkets, the healthiest choices are usually found around the outside walls of the store where fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, poultry and dairy products are located. If possible, avoid going down the middle aisles where junk foods are usually stocked. Number 2. Eat when hungry. There's a good reason you won't see many fast food restaurants decorated in blue. It functions as an appetite suppressant. So serve up dinner on blue plates, dress in blue while you eat, and cover your table with a blue tablecloth. Conversely, avoid red, yellow, and orange in your dining areas. Studies find they encourage eating. Don't miss these other kitchen changes to help you eat less without noticing. Number 1. Choose a low-carb diet. If you want to lose weight, you should start by avoiding sugar and starch, like bread, pasta, and potatoes. This is an old idea. For 150 years or more, there have been a huge number of weight loss diets based on eating fewer carbs. What's new is that dozens of modern scientific studies have proven that, yes, low carb is the most effective way to lose weight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.